back to another video. Norma Acosta with Mommy's Designs and DIYs. And today I decided that I'm going to do a video for you of different pieces that I found at the Dollar Tree that I use to make all my crafts, to mix my things, and in general just to keep it at a very short value. They're inexpensive and they're very useful. And I'm gonna gather all my things, but before that, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe so you take advantage of the videos that I've been doing. Share and like, I would really appreciate that. And just a little thing, if you haven't watched my videos, I'm at 82 subscribers. Once I reach to 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a drawing for a CBD oil and another goodies that are gonna go with it. So if you can help me reach my goal, I would really appreciate it. Let me gather all my items and I'll see you soon. Okay, welcome back. So here we are with our video to show you everything, all the goodies that I found at the Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna start with this bowl. These bowls, I use them to make my the bath bombs and the bath salts. I have one for each fragrance because plastic tends to absorb the scent. So I have one bowl for each one of my scents. And I like this spatula because, see, if you look, it has two different, but this one is wider than this one. So again, at the Dollar Tree. And this one, like, you can just get all your stuff out. So $1 and $1, and this is from the Betty Clark collection, which I think that if you find them at somewhere else, they will be more expensive. The next item I'm gonna show you is this here. It has 16 little squares, and I use it to put all my oils. So you can put all your scented oils. I have two of these in my bathroom because I love lipstick, so I have all my lipsticks in this thing. Okay, so this was $1. Okay, very strong. It doesn't break easy. And if you put it this way, you can also use it this way you can use it as a display as well. Okay, really, really nice item. Okay, the next item I'm going to show you guys are these sticks. These help me with two things. When I don't have enough of the little tops to hold the wick, when I do the candles, I use these. I roll the wick in here and it goes like, let me open it so I can show you. So I put the wick in and then I roll it into here and then it goes just like that for when you make your candles, okay? Because I don't have too many of the other silver, like a metal ones that I use, okay? So those, and also you can use them to stir. When you are making more than one fragrance, which sometimes I do when I get an order for candles, like 4 or 6 candles, all different scent, I use one for each scent, and then I wash them really good, and I make sure that all scent is gone and I can reuse them. Okay, so really nice. Look at how many you get. They're bamboo skewers, and you get 50 of them. So see how this is a really nice thing to have. Another thing that I bought you guys, this one came it's a set of 4. They're small. So what I do with these is when I'm separating all my ingredients, I put them all separated into these little bowls. Okay, so you get 4 of these together for $1, and I use them to separate all my ingredients. How nice is that? Another thing is that, like, for my bath bombs, I use like 5 or 10 pounds, like the baking soda and the salt. So I have these. This is very handy to pour and weight all my ingredients. Each one of my bags has one of these. Okay, $1 from the Dollar Tree. Okay, my next item is, I'm in love with this candle. This is a 16-ounce, I guess you can say, latte mug. Like cereal, I don't know, it's big and it's nice. So I made these candles. There are 16 ounces and they were $1. Okay, if you sell candles like I do, you can easily like engrave etched their initial or their name onto here, and for that you need to have a Cricut. But if you don't have a Cricut, you can go on Etsy and you can find someone who does those labels, and they're about maybe $1.50, $2, maybe $3, and you can add that to the price of the candle. Okay, a lot of people like to make it personalized. Okay, or you can put a label. I have done quite a few like this size for a wedding and a quinceañera. I also have done these ones here that I also found at the Dollar Tree. Some I found at the Dollar Tree and other ones I found at Michael's. So I have gotten orders for these to use as a gift for other guests for a reunion, or it's a girl, it's a boy. Really nice gifts. Okay, all it was at the Dollar Tree. Okay, this is what I found at the Dollar Tree. This is an 8-ounce candle. You can make an 8-ounce candle. The first one that I show you, this is how it looks. Okay, another one that I found that is really nice for candles, of course I already showed you this one. They have it comes with candle, but I dilute it and I throw it away. These come in gray, they come in pink, and in a nice green. Okay, and these here, the jute string, I also found it there at the Dollar Tree. All of these for $1. I use these a lot. I mean, really a lot. I also found these at the Dollar Tree. My daughter already made hers. She melted a candle from, I think from Tuesday morning, and she melted and she put it in here, and then she put her initial here, a K. Really nice. Okay, this is about, I have to say maybe 12 to 14 ounces. Okay, this is another one I use for candles. And I'm gonna put up above on the right hand side, I'm gonna put the recipe that I have on how to make soy wax candles, and also the how I price them, how much I sell them for, and how much is the profit. So if you haven't watched the video, you can look for it. I'm gonna put it right on the description box or above here. Here's another one that I haven't done yet, but I think a nice candle will look really nice. Okay, soy wax candle that you can hang. I think this is also about a 16 ounce, but look at how nice these are. Look at that. Okay, so once I try it out, maybe I'm gonna do a video about this one. Don't know yet. Okay, another item that I purchased as well, I purchased these. They have two sizes. These are the small ones, and they have the large ones. These are 2 for $1, and the largest ones are $1. So I purchased this because when anybody buys me a soap, I give it to them with this. The reason why is because glycerin and goat milk soap, they tend to, if you leave them where it's wet, they dissolve and they get really soft. So if you give it to them in something like this is another candle I made that I sell by this is about a 4 ounce, and I give them this, and I give them so they can put it in their bathroom like that. Okay, this candle is a lemongrass, and I also make a lavender one, and eventually I'm going to be doing a video about these ones. But whenever they buy me a soap like that, I give them this little plastic thing. Okay, let's move on. The next thing I have is if you want to decorate your bottles, they have different colors of this one, and it has glue. You just take it off, and some people, when I make these candles, sometimes they want some bling bling on them. So this is what I use, and they have different colors. They have silver, gold, green. I don't remember what. My next item that I want to show you guys is they have these. This is from the Betty Crocker collection, and they have the measuring cups. And I think the person who gets the CBD oil is gonna get something like this, and then you have the little spoons, teaspoon and tablespoon measurements. I don't have all of them here because I use them. They're wet right now, but $1 and $1, okay? And these ones, I have quite a few of these ones. They measure up to 32 ounces or 1 liter, which is 1,000 milliliters. Okay, this also $1. Okay, what a deal are we getting? They have this ribbon. It's really, really nice. I use it for my candles. Sometimes I put, this is like a cardboard paper, and then I put this one like right in here. I glue it for my candles. So you can find this also at the Dollar Tree. And let me open it for you guys so you can see. It's really, really cute. See that? Or you can make a, you know, a bow, or there's quite a few things that you can do with this. Okay, this is 6 yards for $1, and they have quite a few colors. Okay, the next item that I really liked is I did some lip balm, and I found these. They were four for $1. So you can do your lip balm, and also I'm gonna put the recipe for the lip balm, and you can either gift it, or if you sell them, you can sell them with, like for a wedding, you can put their name, that they got married, or whatever details they want. Okay, these are very good for that. Okay, it's this one here, this basket. They have it in this shape, and they also have it like in an oval shape, and they have them in white and black. When I do baskets for Mother's Day or Valentine's Day, I put like a small, like a teddy bear here. I put some bath bombs, a lip balm, a soap, and I sell them like that. So they're really, really handy, and they're just $1. My next item is this here. When you're making crafts and you want everything to be divided, you can use this. And even in your office, and you put it inside a drawer to put your pencils, your paper clips, and your whatever you want. These are really, really, really nice. How about that? My next and last item, something that I am always using, are these is 4 different ones. One with the pump, and one with the spray, and a regular one, and one that opens here for $1. I use these when I to put my my water that I use, my alcohol that I use, or my my witch hazel water. Okay, you can also put your oils. You can do a lot of things with these. 4 of them for $1. I saw these at CVS, and they were $5.99 for something like this. Okay, so you guys, for now, that's all I have. I really appreciate you watching my videos. Please like, give me thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Remember, I need to get to 100 subscribers so that we can go ahead and do the drawing. But other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you and be with you and your family every single minute of your life. Goodbye.